Video of basic Chinese course. In this video we will learn about sentences with be verb. So the contents for today's video are introduction, characters typing, conversation and vocabulary. Today we will learn about sentences with be form. If you remember, we have learned about the subject pronouns, we have learned about the be verb. So now today we will learn about making sentences with be verb. Okay, so our target for today is like we will make the simple sentences, we will make the negative sentences and the questionable sentences, the interrogative sentences. Okay, so I'll take an example. For example, you are a teacher. Okay, you are a teacher. You are a teacher. You are a teacher. Okay, you are not teacher. You are not teacher. And are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? Okay, this is a question sentence. In Chinese, we have learned how do we say the subject pronouns, like how do we say you in Chinese. Okay, it's 你, okay, the be form of verb in Chinese is only one, that is 是, 你是. The teacher, we have learned it's 老师, okay. You are teacher, 你是老师. You are teacher, 你是老师. I am teacher, 我是老师. Okay. Now you are not teacher, same as, okay, 你. Okay, for this one, 你是, okay, 是老师. Okay, so this sentence is like you are not teacher, okay. Remember, so in Chinese we use a pinyin, a word for not is 不, okay, with four tone, 不. So you are not a teacher, 你不是老师, 你是老师, 你不是老师. Okay, the other sentence, okay, every pinyin, every word is same with the first sentence, but here we just add an extra word, 不. Okay, now the question sentence in English is like simple. We can ask anyone, we can bring the be form of verb in the start of the sentence, but in Chinese it's not the same. Okay, we cannot bring this 是 to the front. We cannot ask 是你老师吗? No, it's not. So the simple and easiest way in Chinese question sentences is like we will write the same. Okay, 你, the same with this sentence. Okay, 你是, okay, 你是老师. But at the end we will use a question particle. Okay, a particle word used for question. It's 吗. Remember, this is the question particle. There is no any tone. Okay, no first, second, third tone. Just like neutral tone. If you see any type of sentence, any type of Chinese sentence, if there is a ma word at the last, so you should understand that this is a question sentence. Okay, this is an interrogative sentence. 你是老师吗? 你是老师. 你不是老师. 你是老师吗? 你是老师吗? Okay, and one thing you need to know about, for example, if we speak with anyone in Chinese, so we don't need to speak each and every word separately, like 你是老师. No, our speech shouldn't be like so slow. Okay, 你是老师. No, okay, 你不是老师. No, 你是老师吗? No, okay. The simple and easiest way, for example, you have to understand, you have to learn this. 你是老师吗? 你是, okay. These two words, these two pinyin comes together. 你是老师, okay. 你是老师, okay. 你不是, this 不 and 是 comes together. Okay. 你是老师, 你不是老师, okay. 你是老师吗? Okay, so you should learn about the pattern, about the method, how do we speak, how do we pronounce. Okay, 你是老师, 你不是老师，你是老师吗？ So for this subject pronouns, you can change it. Okay, you can change it and you can try. You can practice on it. This is an example. You are a teacher. You can take an example. I am a teacher. My father is a teacher. My mother is a teacher. He is a teacher. She is teacher. Okay, simple. They are teachers. But if you use teachers, okay, if we add in here, so for the teachers, 老师, we have learned, okay, for the plural, we will use 们, 老师们, okay. If, for example, we use this 老师 plus 们, 老师们, which means teachers, like teachers. So you can have try, you can practice, and you can use different examples. Okay, I am teacher, you are teacher, he is teacher, she is teacher, my father is teacher, my friend is teacher, my classmate is teacher. Okay, so simple as that. 你是老师 you are teacher 你是老师 okay so we don't use it here 你是老师你是老师你是老师 okay one thing more if for example you ask so many people whether they are teachers or not for example you ask you are teachers so it's like not correct okay but in Chinese we will use here 你们是老师你们是你们 okay we have already learned about the you the subject pronoun you used for plural 你们是老师 so in this case we don't need to use the 们 here okay we don't need to ask 你们是老师们 no that's not wrong okay sorry that's not correct that's wrong so we will just add a plural particle okay the 们你们是老师 so now we are asking from many people are you teacher like all of you guys are teacher okay 你们是老师 okay and here for example if we ask many people 你们 same we add a 们 here 你们不是老师 and here 你们是老师吗 okay 你们是老师吗 you are teacher I am teacher he is teacher she is teacher 我是老师 you 你是老师 we 我们是老师 you plural 你们是老师 okay so that's all for today
So now comes to the characters typing session 我是老师 I am teacher 我是老师我是老师 I am teacher 你是学生 You are student 你是学生你是学生他们是朋友 They are friends 他们是朋友 Now I have chosen character used for men so means we are talking about men 他们是朋友 means they are friends 他是我的哥哥 Here I'll also choose a character used for male because I'm talking about my elder brother 他是我的哥哥 so I'll choose character number 1他是我的哥哥 He is my elder brother 他是我的哥哥哥哥 means elder brother 他是我的同学 If I choose here character used for men for male so this sentence means he is my classmate 他是我的同学 He is my classmate 他是 I'll choose character number 1他是我的同学 He is my classmate Now if I am talking about my girl classmate then I have to change the character used for girls 她是我的同学 okay 她是 character number 2 used for girls so 她是我的同学 I'll change this one 她是我的同学 Now the sentence means she is my classmate 她是我的同学 Okay let's revise it 我是老师 I am teacher 我是老师 I am teacher. 你是学生 You are student. 他们是朋友 They are friends. 他们是朋友。他是我的哥哥 He is my elder brother. 他是我的哥哥 He is my elder brother. And the last one is 他是我的同学 She is my classmate. 他是我的同学。So now comes to the conversation session.
你是老师吗？
是，我是老师。你是老师吗？
不，我不是老师，我是学生。
So today's vocabulary are 老师 means teacher 老师朋友 means friend 朋友同学 means classmate 同学哥哥 means elder brother 哥哥我的 means my 我的他们 means they 他们以前 means before ago 以前以后 means after 以后 This channel is actually for learning basic Chinese and preparation for HSK levels. If you are a beginner and want to learn Chinese for free, so please join us by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon that you won't miss any updates in the future.